Let's go, one. All right, Hessel. Good job, good job.
The one where he's going.
Dave. Let's go, one.
You're right.
Dave. Wanted it.
Almost stuck.
Yeah. Cooper hates to watch me play baseball. He played on my softball team. We played together. He played and he's like, oh my God. Mom just checked my I'm a girl. Oh no!
Sorry, Josh. Next time, kid. All right, babe.
Let's go, Ty.
Let's go, team pass.
It's okay. It's okay. Good eye.
There we go.
I sit for a second and then I get back up. Time it down. Let's go, Alex. Get us started, buddy.
Let's go, AP.
All right, here we go.
Wait on it, AP.
Wait on it, wait on it.
His son runs it. His son's 49. They're from Rochester.
There you go.
Nice hit. Nice hit.
Put him out.
Oh, Jules, turn on one, bud.
Buddy.
Hey, get up in that box right now. Let's go.
Good luck, buddy.
Shaq, go pick him, buddy. You see it? Let's go.
Say hi, Jules. We say, bud. Back.
All right, all right. Nice job, AP. Oh, Josh, baby, trouble.